Hi everyone, I'm Fiona. In this video, I will show you our heat exchanger machine installed in our customer's factory. This EPS block factory has two sets of EPS block molding machine and two sets of EPS batch pre-expanding machine connect with the heat exchanger. By using the heat exchanger machine, it can heat up the dry loom reach to 72 degrees for free. You can see it by yourself. The temperature gun shows 72 degrees. How does the heat exchanger works? The heat exchanger can release the exhausting steam from EPS block molding machine and EPS batch pre-expanding machine. What is the advantage? By using the heat exchanger, it can generate the hot water for steam boiler instead of cold water for saving gas cost. Second, to heat the dry loom in the winter season, because especially when you're producing the light density EPS block, the EPS beams on the surface will shrink due to the big temperature difference. Dry loom can help you solve this problem. Now let me show you the workshop where we manufacture this heat exchanger. If you want to know more information about heat exchanger, leave your comments below or contact with us by email. We would love to hear from you. Energy saving is an interesting topic, isn't it?